This is Offroam phone mount that I'm using my vent. You don't need to do much. You're gonna go over the process. So what you do is gonna plug it into your vent. You can still move around your vent, close it. There is a tool you're gonna need. It comes with it. I'm gonna show you in a moment. Allen key, and that's the only tool you're gonna need. So what is do is going on the vent. This one, as you can see, you can loose thing up this ball mount over here, and this is off pump. This is the phone mount. This is how you can get out the phone or put it back in. You can do it with one hand too. That's the cool about it. This is another ball. One ball gonna connect on the top over here. You can loosen up and widen and then tighten it up. And next one, the bottom one with a vent mount, gonna go on the bottom. So let's get to it, how things work. Just in addition, as you can see, they have made with aluminum, so it's much lighter. This is the wide depth and thickness. Just want to put it out there. They made it pretty nice, clean, strong, durable. You can see their logo on the bottom vent one. So let's assemble, see how it looks. This is the tool I was talking about, Allen wrench. It comes with the mount, so that's a good thing. Let's get to it. So first thing you're gonna do is put this like that in the vent, and it will easily slidable. Okay. It's gonna go around the mount just like that, and when you find a space, see, it's not interrupting anything. It can close until, I would say, 85%. Okay, as you see, that's the mounting point. You're gonna see these two edges. The vent gonna go in between, and it's gonna be work like a clamp as you tighten up. So we're gonna put it right there, so make sure you line up, and it's going between those clamps. So once you adjust the position, you can tighten it up just a snug fit, so you can adjust it before you tie it up all the way. Let me know how, if anybody using this product before, and how's your experience so far. And if you not have been subscribed to my channel, please go check it out, my videos. And if you like those videos and find helpful, please subscribe. I have a lot of other mods I have been added on, so feel free to check out those videos as well. Now I am plugging in the top portion. So the clamp part is very important, because you gotta put it the top and the bottom, so both balls fit on inside on those clamp. And once it's snug fit, you can always readjust it how you like it on your position, because those are adjustable. And there you go, that's the final product. You can pull it up that way, put your phone in, and take it out. Pretty much one hand operation. Like that. It's a little bit shaked, so I'm gonna tighten up. And once I'm tightened up a little bit, you're not gonna see that shake anymore. It's pretty easy, sturdy. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Feel free to check out my channel.